How to change profile picture on Meta Business Suite. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then head over to the site metabusinesssuite.com. It will land you on this official page of Meta Business Suite. Enter a login credential as in your username and the password and sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. In here, what you want to do is click on your profile icon and then simply click on Manage Page. This interface will appear. Click on your profile at the top right and then you have to switch your account. Once you have switched your account, click on your profile icon beside your name. It says Update Profile Picture. Different options will be available to you. You simply have to click on Upload Photo and then your gallery will appear. You have to choose the profile picture that you want to add on your account. Once you have selected the picture, click on Save and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.